Assalamualaikum. Okay guys, selamat datang ke Five Nights at Freddy part kedua. Joe pula. So jom kita sambung main, okay? Okay, ni part night kedua. Okay. Okay. Okay, sorry, beria sangat. Sorry. Kita beria. Okay. Okay guys, sekarang ni aku tak reti macam mana nak angkat call. Mana call ni? Hey!
Well, if you're hearing this and you made it to day 2,
Yeah.
congrats.
Yeah, thank you.
I won't talk quite as long this time since Freddy and his friends tend to become more active as the week progresses.
Okay. Oh my god! Weh, betul lah dia orang agresif.
Just to make sure everyone's in their proper place, you know. Interestingly
Oh my god,
enough,
that
Freddy
chica
himself
is
doesn't
over
come
there.
off stage very often. I've heard he becomes a lot more active in the dark though, so hey, I guess that's one more reason not to run out of power, right? I also want to emphasize the importance of using your door lights. There are blind spots in your
Oh my
camera
god,
view,
dia kat belah
and
situ.
those blind spots happen to be right outside your doors. So if you can't find something or someone on your cameras, be sure to check the door light.
Okay.
You might only have a few seconds to react.
Okay.
Not that you would be in any danger, of course. I'm not implying
Dia tak
that.
hati lagi. Cik. Woi, ya Allah, muka anak ayam apa benda tu? Woi, terkejut aku. Mana?
I guess he doesn't like being watched. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure you have everything under control.
Okay.
Talk to you soon.
Okay, bye. Okay. Thanks for nothing, you just borak-borak lebih saja. Okay, cik. Okay, kerana aku tak tahu mana dia pergi. Okay. Cika masih kat sini, okay. Okay. Cika masih kat situ. Okay, dia nyanyi ke mana? Oh. Okay, Bonnie kat situ. Okay, kita chill. Okay, relax. Just chill. No sweaty. Just relax. Okay. Hanya malam biasa. Okay. Okay, Bonnie masih kat situ. Cika masih kat situ. Oh my god, mana? Oh, okay, Freddy di situ. And pirate still there. Okay. So just chill, kita menai-menai. Okay lah, sama balik kerja. Bonnie kat situ, Cika di situ, Freddy di situ, and Foxy di situ. Okay, kita just chill, just chill. Kita just relax. Kanan kiri ke kanan, kiri ke kanan, kiri ke kanan. Okay, kiri dah sambung. Bonnie hilang. Oh, nyesal aku tak fokus. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Sekarang aku nak cari apa tu, itu anak ayam tu mana pergi. Anak ayam pergi mana? Okay. Cik. Okay. Dia tak ada. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, Bonnie kat situ. Oh. Mana anak ayam tu? Geramnya aku. Ayam mana? Okay. Cik, jangan marah-marah. Nanti kena jump scare juga nanti. Oh. Okay, Bonnie kat part and service apa benda tu. Ayam tu aku tak tahu dia kat mana. Kita chill jap. Chill. Okay, sambung. Cika. Oh, ni kat situ. Sekarang aku pening. Cika mana? Oh, that chicken is there. Okay. Okay. Come on, night 4, please. Okay. Chicken tu kat situ. Freddy kat situ. Freddy, kau pandai apa-apa Freddy? Jangan pandai aku. So, kami muka dia. Okay. Okay, masih kat situ. Okay, kat situ. Sabar. Okay, sambut check. Kat situ. Masih kat situ. Okay, tak ada apa-apa. Oh my god, Pon, diam Pon, jangan. Aku tengah dalam stress ni. Oh my god, mana dia? Okay, dia kat situ. Dia nak macam mula attack aku. It's okay, just chill. Okay, sambung tengok. Cika masih kat situ. Okay, Bonnie kat situ. Cika kat situ. Freddy kat situ. Freddy dah pusing balik ke situ. Okay. No big deal, just chill. Okay, kita just menari. Menari apa tu sambut chat. Okay, kat situ. Kau kat situ. Freddy, kau pandang aku pahal. Jangan pada aku. Kau nak kena penampar ke? Okay dah. Just chill. Okay dah, chill. Masuk check balik. Oh, ada yang bergerak. Ni masuk kat situ. Apa tu? Apa gerak? Weh, bodoh! Weh! Weh, seramnya. Apa kau pada anak je? Okay. Tak ada. Sekarang aku nak cari tu. Okay. Oh my god. I'm scared guys. Siapa call aku? Mama. Bukan masa sini sekarang. Mama. Alamak. Hello. Ya, Ma? Ya. Adik apa? Adik kat mana? Adik tengah bekerja. Kenapa? Kerja apa? Kerja survive the night. Okey, Ma. Bye, Ma. Assalamualaikum. Mama. Alamak, Mama. Aku. Okay. Chicken tu mana? Come on, night 5. Mama. Alamak. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Please. Night. Oh no. Come on. Yes. Oh my god. Yeah. Mama, kenapa call time masa ni Mama? Okay. No. Okay guys. Bang, saya nak buat outro ni bang. Okay guys, itu je lah video Five Nights at Freddy ke-1 part ke-2. So, jumpa video jumpa video Minecraft part ke-3 akan datang. Okay. Bye. Assalamualaikum. Bye.